Did you know that 70% of people believe they can manifest wealth, but only 3% actually succeed? What if I told you the secret to changing that statistic lies in a simple but powerful technique? Stick around, because today we're diving into the 55x5 manifestation method that can help you attract crazy wealth in 2024. Welcome back to the channel, folks. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content on manifestation and personal development. So what is this 55x5 manifestation method, and why is it all the rage right now? In essence, the 55x5 method is a focused and intentional practice designed to align your energy and intentions with your deepest desires, particularly in the realm of financial abundance. It's all about writing down your goals in a specific way to help you manifest them into reality. Imagine waking up in 2024 and finding that your financial situation has completely transformed. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's set the stage for how you can make that happen. Before we delve into the specifics of the 55x5 method, let's address some of the common obstacles many of us face when trying to manifest wealth. First is limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts that tell you you're not capable of achieving financial success, or that money is scarce and hard to come by. They can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, preventing you from taking action and attracting abundance. Then we have lack of clarity. If you don't have a clear vision of your financial goals, it's difficult to manifest them. Many people desire wealth, but lack a concrete picture of what that looks like for them. Manifestation requires daily practice and unwavering commitment. It's easy to get discouraged or fall off track, especially when results don't appear immediately. If you've ever felt stuck or frustrated in your wealth manifestation journey, rest assured you're not alone. So, what does 55x5 even mean? It's simple. You write down a specific affirmation related to your financial goals 55 times a day for 5 consecutive days. This consistent repetition helps reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning your energy with your desired outcomes. Here's how to implement it. Craft a clear affirmation. Start by creating a positive and powerful affirmation that resonates with you. For example, I am attracting abundant wealth effortlessly, or I am financially free and prosperous. Make sure it feels authentic and exciting to you. Write it down. Grab a notebook or some paper and set aside 10-15 minutes each day to write your affirmation 55 times. This isn't just a mindless task. It's a deliberate act of focusing your thoughts and energy on your financial goals. The 55x5 method taps into the power of repetition and the subconscious mind. When you repeatedly write down your affirmation, you're essentially sending a clear message to your subconscious. This repetition helps to override any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be hindering your progress. Furthermore, the act of writing engages multiple senses and reinforces the message in your mind. As you write, you're not only seeing the words, but also feeling the physical act of writing and hearing the sound of the pen on paper. This multisensory experience creates a stronger neural pathway in your brain, making the affirmation more deeply ingrained in your subconscious. The 55x5 method isn't just theoretical. It has transformed the lives of countless individuals. Let's delve deeper into some inspiring success stories. Sarah, a struggling freelancer, was barely making ends meet. She decided to try the 55x5 method, writing the affirmation "I attract high-paying clients with ease" 55 times a day. Within a few weeks, she started receiving inquiries from dream clients, and her income doubled. John was drowning in debt and felt trapped. He committed to the 55x5 method, using the affirmation "I am debt-free and financially abundant." Unexpected opportunities arose, including a promotion at work and a side hustle that took off. Within a year, John had paid off all his debt and was on the path to financial freedom. Maria had always dreamed of owning her own home, but felt it was out of reach. She used the 55 by 5 method with the affirmation, "I am living in my dream home, surrounded by abundance." A few months later, she received an inheritance from a distant relative, which allowed her to purchase her dream home. These stories illustrate the potential of the 55 by 5 method when combined with belief and consistent practice. The key to unlocking the full power of the 55 by 5 method lies in your emotional state while writing. It's not enough to simply write the words. You need to feel the emotions associated with already having achieved your financial goals. Visualize yourself living the abundant life you desire. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your dreams have already come true. This emotional connection amplifies your manifestation power and accelerates the attraction of wealth. When you combine the writing with strong emotions, you create a magnetic force that pulls opportunities and abundance into your life. Neuroscience research supports the effectiveness of techniques like the 55 by 5 method. The brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life, known as neuroplasticity, plays a significant role. By repeatedly focusing on your desired financial outcomes and associating them with positive emotions, you're essentially rewiring your brain to support these new beliefs and behaviors. This rewiring can lead to tangible changes in your life. You may find yourself taking inspired action, noticing new opportunities, and attracting unexpected windfalls. The 55 by 5 method acts as a catalyst for change, helping you break free from old patterns and create a new reality for yourself. Some people may dismiss manifestation practices as mere wishful thinking or woo-woo. However, it's important to understand that the 55 by 5 method is rooted in sound psychological principles. It leverages the power of repetition, visualization, and emotional connection to influence your subconscious mind and create lasting change. While it's true that manifestation alone may not be enough to achieve your financial goals, it can be a powerful tool for shifting your mindset, attracting opportunities, and taking inspired action. When combined with practical steps towards your goals, the 55 by 5 method can be a game changer. Staying consistent with the 55 by 5 method can be challenging, especially when results don't appear immediately. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Set realistic expectations. Manifestation takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight results. Focus on the process and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. This will help you stay positive and motivated. Find an accountability partner. Share your 55 by 5 practice with a friend or family member who can support and encourage you along the way. Visual reminders. Create visual reminders of your goals, such as vision boards or affirmations placed in prominent locations. Don't give up. There may be times when you feel discouraged or doubt the process. Remember why you started and keep going. The universe rewards persistence. The 55 by 5 method can be even more powerful when combined with other manifestation techniques. Here are some ideas. Visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living your desired financial reality. Gratitude practice. Cultivate gratitude for what you already have, as this opens the door for more abundance to flow into your life. Affirmations throughout the day. Repeat your affirmations silently or aloud throughout the day to reinforce the positive message. Meditation. Incorporate meditation into your daily routine to quiet your mind and connect with your inner wisdom. The 55 by 5 method can be adapted to address specific financial goals. Paying off debt. Use affirmations like "I am easily and effortlessly paying off all my debt." Increasing income. Try affirmations such as I am attracting multiple streams of income, or I am worthy of earning a high income. Saving for a specific purchase. Focus on affirmations like I am saving easily and effortlessly for my dream. Mention your dream purchase. And there you have it. The 55 by 5 manifestation method. Your key to unlocking the door to abundance in 2024 and beyond. It's a simple practice, yet incredibly powerful when combined with belief, consistency, and emotional connection. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. The universe is abundant, and it's ready to respond to your aligned energy and intentions. Don't let limiting beliefs or past setbacks hold you back. Embrace this method. Harness the power of your subconscious mind and take inspired action towards your financial dreams. If you found this video valuable, give it a big thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit from this powerful technique. Let's spread the message of abundance and empower others to create the financial freedom they deserve. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest manifestation tips and personal development strategies. We're on this journey together, and I'm excited to see the incredible transformations you'll manifest. Until next time, keep believing, keep visualizing, and keep taking action. Remember, the life of your dreams is waiting for you. Go out there and create it.